You are listening to the audio production of The Note, The First Sound of Christmas, written and narrated by Richard Littledale, published by Monkey Nut Audiobooks.
The Note by Richard Littledale. There's something people don't know about notes, even though it's all around them all the time. Here it is. Every note goes on forever. Once it's been played or sung, it stays out there hidden in the air until someone needs it. So, when a composer is writing a great concerto, or a shepherd boy is looking to whistle just the right song to his lonely sheep, it is heard all over again. Sometimes it can be a tricky business.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?